Now for all your images, search engines can't see your pictures. So you need to create image descriptions for them and make sure that you add what's called alt text to each one of your pictures, or alternative text. So that's just a textual description of what you would write for your images. It turns out that it enables Google bots to understand what is showing on your screen, and when you write good alt text for your images, you will be rewarded with a better SEO for both your website and in the general search results for each of your images in Google Images. So let's go ahead and modify the alt text of some of the images created here. So I'm just going to go to the image section, click on Site Files. So when I click on the image, this section right over here is actually where your alt text is. So it's important to name your image intelligently over here so it can be found by Google. Now, there is a recommendation that you should not exceed 125 characters, otherwise your alt text may not be completely read. It shouldn't be a very long description. Keep it short by describing the focal points of your image. If it's location sensitive, you can add location sensitive information. So in the case of this particular image, I'm going to say Logic Pro 10 online course. That's what I'm going to write. Now, I'm not sure if the tags are very helpful, but as you can see, all these tags don't really fit. So I am going to alter the tags and delete all of these items here. And instead, I'm going to put Logic Pro 10. And I'm separating the tags with a comma. And that's good for that. I'll go ahead and modify the alt text for the rest of my images. And I'll just show you one more place where you can find that the alt text is the title of the image. Now, if you click here, add, and you add an image, and you click My Image Uploads, and let's say I just add this image to the page. Now, when I click on the image and I click Settings over here, this section over here, where it says what's in the image, tell Google, if you click the I here, it'll say that this is the alt text. So that's the title, and you can modify this here. But rather than modifying it at this position, whenever you have to add an image, I recommend just modifying it at the source. So if you need to use the image in multiple locations, you don't need to keep renaming it. Okay, so go ahead and rename all your images with the right alt text. I'm going to do that to my current images, and henceforth, any images you add in, you want to be conscious about the alt text that you are adding for your images.